Welcome back. Society and lifestyle can change, traditions and culture can't. Locals and fishermen from Macazana and Curtorim have contributed in keeping their traditions alive. Like every year, they harvest fish from the local ponds and lakes before onset of monsoon. The scene at the lake on Sunday was amazing. Have a look.
Rapon maron nis dendoron são sapoluitão Sanje chavel albal burgam basoye portão Garaje on pot boje on chuseganitão Mano goito ami goya gazoitão Mano muran natson muran disresatão Mano goito ami goya gazoitão Mano muran natson muran disresatão
नुसत्या गोल्ड फिश पडला खेर पडल्या ओमानकार पडले आणि तुगेले गोल्ड फिश ती आमची मॅडम डायरेक्टरान ते आमकां बरोबर हेल्प केला ताजेन आमकां जायते नुस्तें दिलां रापण मारून नुस्तें धरून संवसार वयतां सांजेच्या वेळार बालभुरग्यांक बासोये भोरतां घरा येवन पोटभर जेवण सुसेगाद न्हिदतां.
Bannerman Cricket Club celebrates its 30 years in cricket by organising All Goa T20 Cricket Tournament. Tournament will be held at Dr. Rajendra Prasad Stadium from 24th to 31st May at Margaon. 16 teams are participating in the tournament. Organisers are looking up for a great and spirited contest. Winning team will carry home the trophy and 50,000 rupees.
Tournament would be on the knockout basis. The entry fee is 6,000 rupees. At present, the preparations are on in full swing for one of the reputed tournament. Winner will be awarded with trophy and 50,000 rupees. Runners-up will get 25,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees each for semi-final, losers including individual prizes. Organizer addressed media.
आमची खंयच्याच वेळार आमी ग्राउंडाचेर केन्नाच ऑर्गनायझर जावं बाकी जावं केन्नाच कांयच कटकटी करूना आनी वी हॅव प्लेड क्रिकेट इन ट्रू स्पिरीट सो सिन्स वी आर कंप्लीटिंग 30 years वी आर ऑर्गनायझिंग ऑल ओवर क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंट विच वी प्लेड इन राजेंद्र स्टेडियम फ्रॉम May 24 to 31st of May 2014. The first prize is 50,000, second prize 25,000 and प्रत्येक match एक man of the match आसा. And I request all the cricket fraternity in Goa to play this tournament in a very nice way. And we will be having a lot of other prizes. Sport prizes खूप असतली. And our only motive is to promote cricket. I have been abroad for quite sizable time. And I can tell you, Goa's standard of living quite high asa. But there are a lot of bad things in our society. And sports, I think, is one medium by which we can reach people and give a medium message of unity. Yeah, 6,000.
There will be an entry fee of 6,000 for every team. The first 16 teams who contact us and pay, get their seats booked will be playing for this tournament. So it's purely on first come first serve basis.
Savio dies for Prudent.
We are the Creek Freaks. Goa Forgiving had organised boat rides at Kampal Creek on Mother's Day. This is annual event headed by Armando Gonçalves. People, including some foreign tourists, enjoyed the ride. However, they have urged that government should clean the creek and maintain the same.
3 years now that we are doing the Mother's Day program on the Kampal Creek, and the reason we do that on Mother's Day is because we have dedicated the creek to Mother Earth. Today we started with boat rides early in the morning at 7:30 because the high tide was at 8:20.
This is my first time trip. It's beautiful over here. It's quite an experience traveling by canoe. But I do hope that people over here who are involved take initiative to clean up this. So on my next trip, so I have a beautiful ride.
And basically, if you're wanting to do that, the city administrators or the policy makers of this particular city also have to come up and make infrastructure along the city, like the sewage and the garbage. Right now, why people dump garbage inside? Because there's no provision, there's no infrastructure available. If you go near parade ground, you'll realize lots of encroachments, settlements, hutments all over, and all their washrooms and all coming into this area. It's not too late, even in today's date. If you compare this particular creek with any other cities in the world, like maybe you go to Amsterdam or you go to Venice, you'll realize that we are equally on the same par, on same palette. What it needs is basically one good, sensitively designed, a master plan, so that we can use it for generation next. We can still utilize it for, navigational purpose, so that in the long run we can all have this kind of, events wherein our next generation can realize what we have in the city. And this something as creek can act like a spine, which environmentally can also improve the aquatic life, the kind of marine life which is there in this creek.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
Tumi Purita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.